Working with Dads is a training course for professionals and support services as part of the Support for Fathers project at Relationships Australia Victoria. The Support for Fathers project was created because we found there are a lot of dads in Australia who want more out of fatherhood and what it means to be a dad. Working with Dads, delivered online and face-to-face, gives professionals knowledge, practical advice, and strategies to engage dads and families in positive and effective ways. Professionals will learn in depth about our fatherhood resources and Professionals Toolkit, plus all of the other great work happening around Australia. Everything we talk about at Support for Fathers is based on our conversations with Australian dads, father figures, and families, plus fatherhood research from Australia and around the world. What makes dads important?
I love you.
Aww.
7 types of dads. Creating a dad-focused service. Promoting 2 dads. Dads creating positive family relationships. Future work with dads. Dad-focused programs. Research and work across Australia. Book your spot now. supportforfathers.com.au